Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Appsmith guide for 2026, I'll show you how to update Appsmith applications. Whether you're fixing bugs, adding new features, improving workflows, or updating your user interface, keeping your Appsmith applications up to date helps ensure they remain efficient and reliable. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Appsmith account and open the application you want to update. Once you're inside the editor, take a moment to review the current version of the app and identify the changes you'd like to make. It's also a good practice to maintain backups or export important applications before making major updates. This provides a recovery option if you ever need to roll back changes. And that's how to update Appsmith applications. By regularly improving your apps and testing changes carefully, you can deliver a better experience for your users while keeping your applications running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.